big thumbs up. This dish, absolutely a rice killer. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Claypot Silky Chicken with clams. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive Local Chinese Delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we marinate our chicken. I have with me over here half a kilogram of fresh chicken, approximately half a chicken. Cut them into small pieces like this, alright, so that they will be cooked easily. For a marinade, we'll need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. I'm using the low sodium type one, so I'm using 2 of this. If you are using those regular soya sauce, you might want to reduce them a little bit. 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste. Half a tablespoon of dark soya sauce for the beautiful dark hue that we always love. Of course, if you want it darker, you can add a little bit more, no problem. Add in also a few dashes of white pepper. Mix this up well first. After you have mixed them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour to protect the protein. Mix them up well again. And finally, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well and we'll let them marinate for 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Now we're going to put our dish together. Heat up your clay pot. If you do not have a clay pot, you can always use your frying pan or any other pot that you have. Add in a good amount of oil. If you are using clay pot, please put a little bit more oil because it will stick. Add in 20 grams of young ginger, cut into thick pieces like this. 8 pieces of shallots, cut into halves. I'm using medium heat at this moment. We just fry them until you can smell the beautiful fragrance coming out from there. This will just take a very short while. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrances, we'll add in our garlic. 5 cloves of garlic cut into halves. Put them in also. The stem of 2 stalks of spring onion. Put them in. Fry them for a while. We want to release the fragrance from all these beautiful aromatics that we have. Wow, it's smelling so beautiful now. We'll just fry them until they are a little bit charred, just a little bit brown. Will be good. That's when we know that all the beautiful fragrances, the flavors are all out. If your ingredients are browning too fast, just reduce the heat. Now as you can see, some of our ingredients are browning already. We'll just add in our rice wine. Add in 150 milliliters of rice wine. If you do not take alcohol, you can replace the Chinese rice wine with water, no problem. Push everything down, stir them up a little bit. Now we add in our chicken, slide them down. Put the lid on, turn the heat now to medium-low, and we'll cook this for 5 minutes before we add in our clams. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. We'll now add in our clams, 300 grams of clams. You can use as much or as little as you want, as long as your pot is big enough. Just slide them all in. This will give this dish a very beautiful, fresh taste. Now we'll put the lid back on, turn the heat up to medium, and we'll cook this for 3 minutes. If you are using frozen clams, you will need to cook the chicken for 7 minutes before you add in the frozen clams for 1 more minute. I'll see you back in a while. Another 3 minutes has passed. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. Now we just need to add in our remaining spring onions. Turn off the flame and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Love the smell, really, really good. Let's try the clams. Fat and juicy, cooked just right. Try the chicken now. I've tried the chicken breast, juicy, very bouncy, really silky, really, really nice. The sauce with rice. Oh my God. Big thumbs up. This dish, absolutely a rice killer. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. See you next time. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, best.